Hello everyone, this is Sir Dison. For today's session, we will tackle about illustrations of quadratic equations. A quadratic equation is also known as second-degree equation because the highest exponent of the variable is 2. In the given equations, equation number 2 is an example of quadratic equation because the highest exponent of the variable is 2. The standard form of quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. In the equation, ax squared is the quadratic term, bx is the linear term, and c is the constant term. In example number 1, since the given quadratic equation is in standard form, so the value of a is equal to 2, b is 5, and c is -3. In the next example, the given quadratic equation is in standard form. However, the linear term is missing, so the value of a equals 7, b equals 0 because there is no linear term, and c equals 3. This is also a quadratic equation in standard form, but there is no constant term, so the value of a equals 1, b is 6, and c equals 0 since the constant term is missing. Lastly, the given equation is a quadratic equation. However, it is not written in standard form, so we have to expand the product on the left side of the equation and arrange it from quadratic term, linear term, and constant term, and the right side of the equation must be equal to 0. The standard form of the given quadratic equation is 3x squared minus 6x minus 10 equals 0, where a equals 3, b equals -6, and c equals -10.